Hello, everyone. I trust that you are well and greet you in the name of Jesus. So, I want to share with you another note feature, and this time it is care notes. The difference between general notes and care notes is that general notes are pretty much your standard permanent note structure, while care notes are more temporary as it relates to those who are in need of, you could say, urgent care or immediate care. All right. So those are the notes, so to speak, that you keep as long as the case is open. But when you close the case, those notes, they are archived, so you can always go back and review them. But that's a little bit different from your general notes that we have talked about before. So, say for instance, we are working with Lisa Anderson, right? And Lisa Anderson is sick. Lisa Anderson is not doing well. So, what you want to do is to click edit, right? And when you click edit, all the way down, you have on this form, you have something called care status. So, Lisa Anderson's status has to change now because she is now sick. So, once you select sick, there is a note box that pops up here. So I would say Lisa Anderson is having a very bad cold, right? Or I don't have to put her name. I could just say having a very bad cold. And since she had this bad cold, since Sunday, so I'll put it from the 2nd. Then I'll click update. So now I've just made a care note for Lisa Anderson, and notice what happens when a care note is made for Lisa Anderson. On her profile, now there is a badge, right? And there's a badge with this particular note, and it is displayed like this and highlighted like this. Why? Because it is urgent, right? When someone is sick, when someone is in need of immediate care, is something that you want to see immediately, and it tells you when this individual has been sick since. Now, as you get new information about Lisa Anderson's progress, as you are talking with her or praying with her, as the church is in contact with her, what you could do is to come and update Lisa Anderson's progress. So here, went to the doctor and got further, you could say, medications. Okay, add. Now you have another line of note, so to speak, and the date when that line of note is there. And the more you add notes, so this is another note. So you notice every time I add a note, the most recent one is displayed first. So now I have a log as it relates to Lisa Anderson's care. When I come over to the Pastoral Care tab, notice I have one person that's in need of care, and guess who that is? That is Lisa Anderson. And if I spoke to Lisa Anderson today, I could just click Mark Contacted right here. And there you go. Immediately the system started tracking the last time I spoke to her. But I could just come and click the notes here as well, and to see the notes that have been made as it relates to Lisa Anderson's case. Oh, good news. Lisa Anderson just called and said all the cold is gone. And then I could just say, wonderful news. Lisa called and all the cold is gone, right? So I click add note. So now, since she is better because all the cold is gone, one of the things that I could do now is to mark close case right here. You see update and close case. So once I click close case, boom, there's a little note that tells me what I am about to do, the care status, and this banner will be removed from this profile. The care log will be saved to this member's notes, so the history of how they were cared for isn't lost. So you click close case, and there you go. The banner is gone. Everything is back to normal. But that information now is logged, right? That information is logged. And here you go. Once you click notes, you could see all the notes now that relates to Lisa. Okay. So this is just one of the ways that you could use notes as well. And there are two kinds. As I said, there is care notes and there is general notes. And then we log everything under notes. So I trust that this was very helpful for you, and that it will help you to better care for and serve those who are a part of your church. May the Lord bless you, and catch you on the next one.